Good day to my future employers. My name is Ruby Ampronton. I'm a 37 years old and I currently live in Barangay Santo Domingo, Cainta, Rizal, Philippines. And I'm high school graduate and I'm a single with blessed for 5 children, which has 17, 16, 13, 5, and 1 year old. They all live and take care of my live-in partners in the Philippines. And also, I have work experience abroad as domestic helper and nanny. They are 7 members of the family, including the 6-month-old baby. And my main responsibility include is to care of 6-month-old baby and prepare their essential need every day. Prepare their purine smoothie, and also include changing diaper, taking a bath. Sometimes I sing a song to make the baby sleep. For a local, I have work experience as babysitters in a 5 years old toddlers. Sometimes I do a household chore if my employers is outside the house. And for cleaners, I do clean the condominium units set by one. I do a cleaning inside the condominium, like vacuum cleaning, mopping, and swiping the door and the floor. I'm hardworking and trustworthy and dedicated person. If you hire me, I do my best as domestic helper and nanny, and I will make sure everything safe and comfortable. I will take care of your children as my own with care and love. And I'm applying for this position because I'm eager to support my family to make a better futures. And thank you for this having opportunity. God bless you all to my future employers.